2122 Silver Spring Lane in Cresswind in the Market Common in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This is very high quality construction, scraped hardwood engineered floor, 13 feet ceilings, and I'm going to stand right here and pan the room. That opening there is the master ensuite. That is your screened in porch. As you can see, that's the dining room. The kitchen has upgraded everything with granite, stainless steel appliances. This is your linen closet. This is the point of entry. Bedroom number 1. That's the entry to the bathroom. That is a Jack and Jill with bedroom number 2. But there's also a half bath. These stairs take you up to the bonus room, back to the garage, laundry. This is the small eat-in kitchen area, which is flanked by formal dining. And a small serving area here. As you'll see, the kitchen has a gas stove. And this is your master ensuite. Tiled shower, double vanity sink area, plus a proper vanity. And a extremely large L-shaped closet.